Dear students, it is 11th class. My topic is digestion of food. Digestion is the conversion of complex non-absorbable constituents of food into simpler form with the help of digestive fluids. It is taken in solid form with the help of hands into the buccal cavity. The food is cut by incisors mixed with saliva which moistens it with the help of water and mucin of saliva. Tongue brings the mastication of food between the grinding teeth, that is, molars and premolars. With the movement of the upper and lower jaw, the food is crushed continuously till it becomes a pulpy mass. It is called mastication. In the buccal cavity, it is mixed with saliva. Saliva is a mixture of water, electrolytes, that is sodium, potassium, HCO3 and Cl. So then it is converted into simple balls by rolling of the tongue, known as bowls. It is now swallowed. Glottis is closed together of vocal cords. Larynx is raised. Epiglottis covers the larynx. Breathing is suspended temporarily. Muscles of pharynx contract and push the bowels into the esophagus. It does not produce any digestive enzyme. The food passes from the esophagus into the stomach. In the stomach, the digestion of food occurs with the help of gastric juice. After the passage of food into the stomach, the esophageal aperture closes due to the contraction of the esophageal sphincter. Therefore, food cannot pass back into the esophagus. Presence of food into the stomach stimulates the secretion of gastric juice and two hormones, gastrin and motilin. The hormones bring about churning of food. Gastric juice contains HCl, pepsinogen, prorenin, gastric lipase, and mucus. The mucus protects the epithelial surface of the stomach from the abrasion. HCl stops the action of salivary amylase. It converts pepsinogen and prorenin into pepsin and renin. HCl also makes the food acidic. The food now changes into pulpy mass called jam by mixing with gastric juice and HCl. Now the food enters into the duodenum through pyloric valve. In duodenum, Brunner's glands are stimulated to produce large amount of alkaline mucoid fluid. Sodium carbonate of their secretion neutralize the chyme. HCl neutralizes chyme. The bile salts neutralize the acidity of chyme and makes it alkaline. The process is called emulsification. Pancreatic juice contains bile salts, three proenzymes, and three types of active enzymes. The basic salts like sodium bicarbonates help to keep the food contents alkaline. Now the food passes into GM where it meets intestinal juice. It hydrolyzes glycogen, starch, maltose and isomaltose. Now the food passes into the other parts of the small intestine where digestion is complete and it is absorbed. Now the undigestible food passes into the large intestine and is collected into the rectum where it is passed out through anus as feces.